Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and safe at home, and you all are enjoying online computer learning. So, basically, today we will learn about wireless communication and operating system. So, let's first learn about wireless communication. Wireless means there is no physical path for signals or data to move. It involves sending and receiving information over a distance without using wires or cables. Let's learn about most popular wireless communication technology. So the first most popular wireless communication technology is Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a short range, about 10 meter of wireless technology used for exchanging data between devices. It works even if there is a wall in between. For example, a Bluetooth enabled phone detects another nearby Bluetooth enabled phone to be connected to send messages, photographs, or movies, etc. Second popular wireless communication technology is Wi Fi. Its short form is wireless fidelity. It allows computer, laptop, or mobile phones to exchange data wirelessly over computer network or internet. With the help of Wi-Fi, you can use internet even though you don't have internet facility in your mobile or computer. For that, user Wi-Fi enabled device has to be connected with another device internet access point, which is called hotspot. Now let's learn about operating system. An operating system is a software for a computer system which is fixed inside computer by the manufacturer. It acts as an interface between user and hardware. It is necessary to start and shut down the computer. It controls various components of computer system and also helps in sharing resources. The user interact with computer system through an operating system. Now let's learn about different functions of an operating system. An operating system provides a variety of services to your computer and its user. Some of the major functions of an operating system now we will see. First is program execution. As a boss gives command to a servant and then that servant first understand the work that she has to be done, then that servant completes that action. Similarly, operating system gets command from an application software or a system program and then it interprets it and then execute that command. Second function is device management. As you have seen that your principal gives different duties to your teacher while any program and also monitor the teacher's work. Similarly, allocation and deallocation of all input and output devices of the computer system are done by the operating system. It controls the working of all the devices connected to your computer system. Third function is file management. Operating system helps you to organize all data properly in files and folder, as well as it gives space for files on secondary storage. It keeps track on location of every file stored on the disk. Fourth function is memory management. Memory is a major part of the computer system and it affects the speed of the operations. The main memory, which is also called the RAM memory, is managed by operating system for efficient functioning of your computer system. Now let's learn about different types of operating system. There are different types of operating system. They can be classified according to their functioning or the way through which they can communicate with user. So let's learn about types of operating system based on interaction. First type is character user interface. Its short form is CUI. The computer system which have such type of operating system, their user needs to type commands with the help of keyboard to interact with computer system. Unix and DOS are the example of character user interface based operating system. Second type is graphical user interface. Its short form is GUI. The computer which have such type of operating system, their user can interact with computer system by just clicking the mouse. If you have touch screen computer, you can use touch gesture like one tap or double tap, press and hold, pinch, sweep, scroll or rotate the screen to interact with computer system. Such operating system are more popular than character user interface because these operating system are very easy to use. Linux and Windows operating system are the most popular graphical user interface based operating system. Dear student, this chapter has finished here. Next chapter we will learn from next week. Subscribe this channel and like and share this video to see such type of upcoming videos. Have a nice day, students.